There are three sets of circumstances where we're asked, how much is my case worth? The first time this occurs is shortly after the accident or the injury, and a client or potential client asks us, how much is my case worth? Be very wary of any lawyer who tells you how much your case is worth initially. There's way too much information that's unknown at that point in time. Early on, no one knows what the full effects of the injury will be. No one knows whether you'll need surgery, if you do need surgery, whether you'll need a second surgery, and how you'll recover from any surgeries that may be performed. That's a very important piece of information that's necessary in determining how much your case is worth. In addition, until there's been a thorough investigation, the relative responsibility of the different people or actors that were involved in the happening of the accident is another crucial factor. So no one should be able to tell you how much your case is worth at an initial consultation or early on in the litigation. If someone does offer you that opinion, be very, very wary. The second set of circumstances where we're asked, how much is my case worth, occurs when someone who's retained another law firm and early on was given an opinion with reference to a very high value of their case is now on the eve of trial and being told that their case is worth much less. They call us and they want an opinion as to the value of their case. Since we haven't seen their medical records, have not read any of the deposition testimony, and are not familiar with any of the information regarding the investigation into the happening of the accident, we can't offer an opinion as to how much that person's case is worth. Steer clear of lawyers who will give you an opinion as to the value of your case under those circumstances. The third circumstance where I'm asked how much is my case worth occurs after all of the discovery has been completed, when we're on the eve of trial or beginning settlement negotiations. At that point in time, our client properly wants to know what our opinion is as to the worth of their case. It's based upon that opinion that they're going to make a decision as to whether or not the case should be settled or go to trial. At that point in time, we have completed our investigation, we know the full effects of your injury, and based upon the other cases that we've handled of a similar nature, we're aware of what other juries have awarded for those types of cases. So based upon the knowledge that we then have of all of the pertinent facts regarding your case, we're able to give you an opinion regarding a range of value for your case. At that point, you can then decide whether or not the offer that's on the table is acceptable or whether you want to go to trial.